In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to create our own context manager with classes that accepts arguments when constructed in Python. So, what is a context manager? A context manager is a simple protocol, or interface, that your object needs to follow in order to support the with statement. Basically, if you want to guarantee that a resource is cleaned up when you are done with it, you can use a context manager. We often use context managers with files, but you can create your own for your specific needs. Let's get started. In the code above, we've created a simple context manager named myContextManager. The _init_ method allows us to pass arguments when we construct our context manager. Here, we are just passing a single argument greeting. The _enter_ method is what gets called when the with statement is used. In this case, it simply prints out the greeting we passed in. The self that it returns allows us to access instance variables within the context. The _exit_ method is what gets called when the with block is exited. Here, it just prints goodbye. Now, let's use our context manager and see how it works. When we run the code, we see the greeting printed first, then our print statement from within the context, and finally goodbye. As we exit the context. This is a simple example of how you can create and use your own context manager in Python. That's the end of this tutorial. I hope you now understand how to create your own context manager with classes that accepts arguments when constructed in Python. Practice creating your own and see what you can come up with. Happy coding!